Friends, hubby just bought me something. Yes. Hubby got me a new metal shelf that now I can go ahead and put all of my seedlings up on the trays and I can get them under some grow lights. They have just been on a table until now. Let's head inside and start putting together this shelf, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our lights up and get our seeds on the shelf. Let's head inside. All right, friends, so here we have our 5-tier shelf. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and we're gonna put it right up against this wall, and that way I can go ahead and start all of my seeds right here in this bedroom. I'm getting them off the table, friends, and getting them onto the shelves with really good grow lights. So let's get this opened and put together. Alright friends, so I've got it all put together. And now I'm going to go downstairs and get my grow lights and go ahead and attach them right now. Alright friends, so here I have my LED lights that I picked up from Rural King in Winchester. So I'm going to go ahead and attach these with some zip ties to the tops of all of these shelves. And this will provide plenty of light for my seeds. Alright, so I ran into a little bit of a problem with plugging in these lights. I need to be able to plug a 3-pronged extension cord into the wall, and I only have 2 prongs on the wall. So I'm going to need to get an adapter that has the 2 for the 3. Probably have to go into town because I do not think we have any. I will double check with my father-in-law and see if we do, but I'm most certain I'm going to have to go into town to go ahead and get a 2-prong adapter for this 3-pronged extension cord. Darn. I was almost completely done. But I can still go ahead and put my seeds up here. It's in front of a window, so it's going to get some really good light regardless of I have the grow lights on or not. And one day is really not going to matter that much to my seedlings. So let me go ahead and put them all up here, and then we will finish this probably later on tonight after I go into town and get the pronged extension cord. Alright friends, so now we're in back of the house in the backyard garden, and I had a comment asking to see how the worms look after a few days of being in the dirt. So let's go ahead and see if we can find a few of these worms to see how they are doing and if they've gotten any bigger. Alright, so those worms are looking pretty good. It has been 2 days since I put them in the raised bed, and they are still alive, and they actually have spread out. Quite a few of the beds had them all the way to the edge of the bed where I had put them in the middle. So that's good. They're searching around, they're getting food, they're getting water. The soil was nice and moist, so I don't have to worry about that being too dry. And we did get rain a few days ago, so it's still looking really, really good. I think having the cardboard on top is really helping to keep the cardboard moist. So the next thing I'm going to do is I had 2 comments in today's video stating that when they are growing their pepper plants that they soak their seeds overnight prior to planting them. So I'm going to try that today. I just planted those other seeds yesterday, so I think just 2 days difference will be perfectly fine. And I'm going to go ahead and soak a couple of pepper seeds tonight, and I will go ahead and transplant them into soil tomorrow. So let me go grab a couple seeds, and we will go ahead and make sure I have them all labeled so that we can soak them tonight. All right friends, so we're in the kitchen, and I went ahead and labeled the cups with the peppers that I'm going to go ahead and soak. I put 4 seeds in each of these little containers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put my lids over top. That way I know what is what and they don't get messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this water to all of these seeds, and then we're gonna let them soak overnight, and tomorrow we'll come through and plant them into these solo cups. The peppers I'm trying with the soaking method are gonna be my Hatch green chilies, the Sandia, New Mexico chilies, New Mexico green chilies, bell peppers, and jalapenos. So I will keep you guys updated on how this little experiment works next to the ones that I just normally put into the soil. No soaking, just put them in as normal. So we will see how this little experiment goes. Friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.